Introducing the 2019 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Kia prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.